What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a special video for you guys on a quick do-it-yourself on the backlights. So in regards to my backlights, I'm referring more to the signal lights, and signal lights are these lights here. And what's cool about these lights is that it actually has a blend where you don't see the amber in the color, only when it signals, and I'll show you right now. So looking at these signal lights, see, it comes out amber, but if you just saw a while ago, it is actually like that chrome look where it's a solid color, which is pretty cool. But my problem is it doesn't look that bright. So I mean, if you look at it, it's not that bright. So I want to upgrade these lights to some LEDs. So to upgrade these lights, my friends from Lasfit hooked me up with these LED bulbs. So we're gonna go ahead and install these bulbs and see the brightness difference. So for the parts we need to install these LED bulbs is either a 8mm socket, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. And I recommend some kind of cloth where you can grab the original bulb. So, you know, you could save it later on instead of disposing that bulb, because, you know, you don't want to handle certain bulbs where your oil's on your finger. So make sure you have some gloves as well if you can, but a cloth will do. So basically what needs to be done is you have to remove two screws, this one and this one here. And you could, like I said, either use the Phillips or the 8mm, and that actually will remove this whole side here, and then we'll reach the bulb from the other side of these lights. So once you remove those two screws, this actually pops right out, and it takes, you know, a little pulling to remove it. So I have to use both hands to get this out, but it should come out fairly easy. So once you have it on the other side, we got 4 different bulbs, and the one we need to remove is this one right here. And to remove it, basically you give it a twist, and there it is. So if you actually look at this bulb, check that out. It's like chromed out. It's nasty. Oh, that's sick, right? Chromed out, so it matches the inner housing of those tail lights. And this is how those chrome lights look like when they work. Look at that amber lighting. What's up? Yo, that's sick, bro. That's sick. Okay, so we're gonna remove this bulb to put one of these ones in there, and we'll test it out to see how brighter it would be. All right, so we got the bulb installed. Let's check out the brightness. Let's see if this blinds me. I doubt it though. You know, it's just lights. Okay. Sorry guys, do not do that. That's a little caution. Do not do that. Otherwise, you become Cyclops for a while. I mean, unless you want to be Cyclops. I mean, Cyclops is actually one of the coolest Marvel guys. Next to Wolverine, Deadpool, you know, I mean, I don't know which is better, but Cyclops though. Cyclops, he's pretty cool. But on the real, guys, yes, don't do that. But let's put this taillight setup back into the car and do the other side, and then test it out to see exactly how it looks completed. Okay, so let's do a quick comparison of these light bulbs. So here we go, got that look. Let me do a quick flash, see how they look. Now, one thing I highly suggest, which I forgot to do, is using this, some frog tape or painter's tape. And with the painter's tape, you want to tape up like this area here, you know, so it reduces scratches on the paint of your vehicle. So if we look at the back side of this taillights, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is number 2 right here. Give it a little turn. And there goes the bulb. So quick thing about these new Lasfit bulbs, it does matter the direction you put it in. All right, so when you make connections at the bottom here, it does matter. So if it doesn't work one way, flip it basically 180 degrees and then plug it back in and then test it out. And I'll do that for you. We're showing you where it doesn't work and when it works. So first I will show you how it does not work. All right, so I'm holding the bulb up. I'm gonna push my unlock button on my keys. And as you can see, it is not working. All right, so now we'll flip the bulb and then try it again. Okay, I flipped the bulb 180 degrees. Here's my key fob. Let me push the unlock button. And there you go. So yes, it does matter on the direction of the bulb you put it in. All right, so the cool thing about these LED bulbs is it kind of gives you that look as well where it is blended in. I know it has like a white tip right there, but it gives you that solid look instead of seeing that amber circle, you know what I'm saying? And as you saw earlier, it is fairly bright, right? Damn, like it fills that whole space. Yo, it's crazy, right? Woo. Now, if you want to get your hands on these bulbs or other types of lighting, even floor mats, check this little clip I did.
So when you're on your phone or on the laptop or so, type in Lasfit, that's LASFIT.com. Once you enter that website, you'll get the main page where it actually shows you the makes and models of the vehicle you're trying to put in. So in this situation, we're going to choose the Honda Civic, and then the year of my car is 2018. And the category, we want to choose LED bulbs, and it's a hatchback is my type of vehicle. And for this, the rear turn signal lights. All right, we clicked on search, and then as you scroll down, you see all the different choices. But for this particular one, it is the 7440 Amber. That's the one I'm going to choose right there on the right side. And it opens the page. And you can see there, currently it's priced at $59.99. But the good thing is, use Eric FK815 for 15% off your total purchase. Yes, hooking you guys up with a discount. But as you can see, they also sell floor mats as well. And I do have a set on my other Civic.
All right, so make sure you use that code EricFK815 for that discount. Pretty much that's all I am doing for today. But yes, I have many more things I'm going to be modifying since now I got my car back from the repair shop. So some cool things I'm gonna be doing coming up on this thing, on the Type R, on that Impala. Nah, nothing on that Impala right now. I ain't no American Muscle guy. So, but yeah, this video is all about these lights today. So yeah, hopefully you guys will check that out, and don't forget to use my discount code. I thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But for now, keep smiling, be safe, and always stay driven. Peace.